Okay, guys, so I have another question that I'm really curious about. So I want to know what your favorite fruit is and what country you're from. So drop in the comments what country you live in and what's your favorite fruit. I want to see how different the favorites are from around the world. And guys, in this video, I wanted to show you how I make some of my colors. So you guys are always asking me what I use to make my colors. And honestly, I just use a bunch of different inks and powders to make the perfect colors. I don't like my colors to be too one-dimensional, so I add as many different shades as possible. So this jar was for a Libra Scorpio cusp, and she wanted gold, blue, and purple. And guys, I cannot believe that I haven't worked with these colors together before. But oh my gosh, they came out so pretty. She also wanted to add the colorful lights to it. And the colorful lights gave it such a magical look, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments and rate this from 1 to 10.